of times I hear people say things like, ladies, I'm so broke. I've been so broke for a long time. I don't even know what to do with my life anymore. I'm like, why don't you look for work? And the person will be like, I'm looking for work. I can't find work. I'm like, there are so many ways to make money. You don't even need to have one stream of income. You can have 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. Okay, my focus in today's video is to outline 7 great ideas you can use to make money online. So if you're interested in knowing how to make money online, keep watching. Now please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on that red button right now, don't waste time, and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhoda, and you can call me Rodis. So without wasting much of your time, let's just swing right into why we are here. Okay, so we are talking about, in today's world, online is everything. Everything is now online. In fact, fish sellers, crayfish, there's nothing at the moment that is not selling online. You need to maximize this great potential to create wealth for yourself. As a matter of fact, I am a full beneficiary of making money online. If I want to rate the sales, my business sales in terms of online buying and shop buying, it's like 2 to 8%, like 8% online sales, 2% shop sales. That is to tell you that everything is moving online. So it's not just, I'm not just going to talk about those who are interested in selling clothes and stuff. I'm just going to list other things you can do, to make money online. So the first point I'm going to be making is tutoring, like teaching. You can come up with anything. One thing you should know about business, please, someone will not think for you. Nobody will think for you. You need to think. And business, the strategy you use this week, next week is not the strategy you're going to use in the next 3 months. Business keeps evolving, so you need to be on the edge. So if you want to come into business so someone will think for you, then you better not just go into business. Or if you're already in business and you're not thinking, you know you're not going to grow. So I'm not going to teach you how to think for you. I'm just going to give you ideas. You can expand on that. So you can start an online tutoring on any subject, anything. It could be dance, it could be fitness for kids. You can reach out to parents, tell parents, okay, I'm doing workout for kids, okay. You can create something, is it an app or whatever. You can use Zoom. I don't know how to, I'm not just going to go into details, okay. I'm just going to list them. Online tutoring, example, you can come up with anything: maths classes, French classes, dance classes, fitness for kids, anything. You can share knowledge online, which is very, very important. A lot of people, what is not selling now is knowledge. 3 days ago, I remember buying a course for 445,000 naira. I'm still learning. Do you get? So people are learning, so someone's going to pay you for your knowledge. Put whatever you have together and start selling online. You don't need to. The other day, someone sent me a WhatsApp message: learn how to make bread, blah blah blah, bread in the comfort of your home, 2,000 naira only. People are making money, so you can just go ahead, combine whatever knowledge you have and share for a token, or anyhow you want to charge. You want to charge billions. So online tutoring, that's the first thing. Just think about, ask yourself, what knowledge can I share? What do I know? Do you know animation? Do you know graphic design? Teach people how to type belly, how to do makeup. Online tutoring. Don't just sit down and say, I don't have money. Create wealth for yourself. Another point in how to make money online is selling of products. So there are different approaches to this particular point. Number 1, you can start your own online store, which means you're doing all these things in the whole. Another option is drop shipping. Okay, selling from somebody. For instance, you can just use your Instagram or your Facebook page, go through some companies that you know that, okay, these people are trustworthy, that are legit, they sell quality. Try to drop ship with them. Go one-on-one. Sometimes they might be busy. Talk to the person calmly, please. What are the products I can drop ship, how much, and all of that. So that means you can stay anywhere in the world and sell. For instance, you can drop ship with Rodis. You can drop ship, it's not just with Rodis, okay? You can drop it with anybody online, any company you know they are trusted. Do you get? Okay, somebody, and you start marketing. You start marketing the product. For instance, if it's top, you start posting it on your Facebook page, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, and know that it is not magic. When you post, the whole world will now rush by. Business is patient. Business is growing little by little until it becomes a whole lot. Okay. Another example of selling online is selling on commission. For example, you can also approach something online, tell them, okay, I want to market this product. What commission are you going to give to me? As I'm talking to you right now, one girl has made 25,000 naira in about 10 days. She has referred over 10 people to buy our latest waist trainer. For those of you who know me personally, our latest waist trainer, the high waist trainer. And I said, anyone you sell 1,000 naira on each, that's huge. Like, you're not doing anything, you're just referring people to shop from us and you just get 1,000 naira. All you need to do is just give somebody a number. Oh, market the product, give this person a number to shop with us and you have 1,000 naira. I said, the girl has made like 25,000 naira just doing nothing. And if she puts more effort, you can even make up to 200,000 naira doing nothing. But it's hard work. The hard work is reaching out to people, showing people these products, doing this, and relevant products as well. We also have this product as well. So it must not be waist train. I'm just telling you, for example, it could be makeup products, it could be cream, like maybe you can approach all these maybe skincare products sellers on Instagram, the one you really know that people have reviewed well, and you've seen all these fake reviews or that they use filter to this. You can refer, come on, you can tell the woman, okay, I'm going to sell all the man, I'm going to sell your product. How much commission are you going to give to me? You must not sell one product on commission. Imagine if you're selling like 4 to 5 to 6 products on commission. Money will come. Business is hard work, like I said. It's not magic. Like me, all this lockdown season, I can't remember sleeping like full-blown 9 hours sleep. I can't remember. I'm brainstorming, I'm working, I'm studying, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So if you want to go into business, just make up your mind that you are in for a big deal. Okay, so number 1 is, I said, tutoring. Number 2 is online selling, which has options of you can start up your online store, or you can sell on commission, or you can drop ship. Drop shipping is an act of selling products you did not buy to keep. You sell from the supplier. You display these items when we have a buyer pays to you, and you buy from your supplier, and your supplier will send to your customer. Another great way of making money online is publishing ebooks. Okay, let me break it down for case of some of you who do not understand what an ebook is. You can make money online just publishing stories. I have a friend who makes serious money. She's a full-time housewife and she makes money publishing stories. And stories are so interesting. Like, you will read and you will just imagine if they are real. You get romantic, horror, everything. So many of you are so gifted, but you've hidden that your gift, and you're just wasting time saying you don't have money. Look, you can do 7 to 8 businesses. Money will be coming in left, right, and center. Someone like me, I'm doing so many things. For those of you that know me, I cannot just sit down and sell clothes only. I'm selling clothes, I'm selling wigs, I'm doing a waist training, weight loss stuff. I'm doing so many things, like so many businesses, like up to 5 businesses. I'm going to talk about my business in another video. Let's not go there today. Okay, so write stories, create it. Just give it. First of all, you need to start by sharing free. Don't go and just start from nowhere. Boom, come and buy my stories. Did people even read your story to know if they're interested or not? So first of all, you need to start by posting. She started by posting stories. People will read and comment, fight on top the comments, comment. She needs to post free. Do you get for a while? Then she started adding a price, and people have been buying because the stories are damn dope, interesting. Vicky Bon, I'm talking about you right now. Do you get? So I have a lot of friends like that who also publish books. It's not just about romance. You can publish books on any other thing, like fitness, business ideas, whatever. You can publish ebooks and still make money. You don't need to print. You just need to type it and publish it online. The only thing I spend money on is reading and all of that. Okay, so that doesn't cost so much because you're not going to print it. So that's another way of making money online, publishing ebooks. Okay, another point is to become a social media manager. If I was not doing any other thing, someone used to ask me, Rhoda, if this your office gets burnt now, your house is burnt, where are you going to start from? I'm like, I'm going to start from somewhere. Like, even if you put me in the desert, yeah, just sand. I'm going to print that sand. I'm going to make glasses from that sand. So just aside, okay. Social media marketing is another lucrative business. You don't need to be a dope tech social media manager, like you've got to Harvard University and all that. Some of you, the experience you've had online since Facebook started, you have been online, you've gathered all the experience. You don't know you've had experience. What's a social media manager? You manage someone's business page. You approach the company. You just check out the companies that are not doing well on their social media, on their Facebook and on Instagram. You DM them, hello ma, or you call them, call that number. Hello ma, I want to give you an offer. I notice your social media is not active. engage your customers and boost your sales. You can do this. You need to know what to sell. Don't just go and talk rubbish because they will not give you the job. Tell the woman the problem the woman has. Look at the page. For me, I might say something like, looking from your page, there is no engagement on your post. Your customers are not interacting with your post. So I'm going to provide a solution to that. I'm going to make sure if you give me the opportunity, in the next 1 week, you start seeing comments and that will result into buyers. No, I will not teach you marketing. Social media manager. To post, engage customers, post things that will make customers talk, because you need that page to be active so that when they post something, they will see. That's the social media manager. I used to pay people to manage my social media. I'm paying. So a lot of people are paying and they will continue paying. So get something doing, nigga. Get babe. Stop saying that money. It's just that you will work. I know some people are just lazy. I know, I understand. But if you're lazy, okay. So another point on how to make money online is to become a social media influencer. That's a multi-million naira deal out there. People, social media influencers are making millions every day. So don't just get carried away. Don't just get intimidated by all celebrities already influencers. Look, there are different categories of influencers. We have the macro, the mini, and the big influencers. So you can make money in any stage of influencing that you are. Again, if I was so, and then to be an influencer, you need to have all the time. Taking pictures, doing all those things is a whole lot of time. Do you get? So that's why if you check out my Instagram page, I'm not even too active because I'm like, oh, my business needs so much of my time at this moment, so I'm pouring out all my energy into my business. So if I was a little bit free, I would be a social media influencer, like really out there targeting brands and all that, making deals, seeding deals. So if you're pretty, girl, boy, you have a smartphone, sharp camera, and you're just posting randomly stupid things on, and if you want to be a social media influencer, you cannot just go about posting fake news, stupid posts, posting stupid comedy on your page. No, nobody's going to come after you for a brand deal. So if you know you want to become a brand influencer, from your bio, everything must be clearly stated. You need to Google up that. I'm not going to teach you that in this video. Set your bio to be very nice. All those stupid names you put on Facebook and Instagram will not fetch you any deal. If you're a brand influencer, you better use your name or use a good name. Stop using all this sexy milapi, or Miss K _2222. All the silly names. You better use your real name or a good name, because a good name is what's going to fetch you some deals as you grow. Not all this sexy Mika _+2 2019. So you need to set your profile right. You need to take strategic pictures. You can decide to focus on one area, maybe say makeup. Every day you show how you do makeup, or fashion, or TikTok, or anything. Or you can just combine all of them, but make sure your profile is neat. And you know what? Influencing does not just yield fruit in one day like any other business. What you need to do is to be consistent. If you're consistent, in 3 months you'll be so amazed at the followers you have. If you're consistent posting every day on social media, you are going to be amazed. And in 1 year you would have become a big brand. People will be calling you for small deals. As you grow, you keep growing. Another great way to make money online is to become a YouTuber. Famous YouTubers have followings in their hundreds and thousands, and they become celebrities in their own right. And through advertising in their videos, they have made millions. Do you get? I know somebody's like, oh my god, you guys start a YouTube channel. Wait, hold it. It is not easy to get there. You have to be warned. So if you want to come and start YouTube because you want to start making money, it might take you ages because your mind is going to drag you back. So if you want to start YouTube channel, if you want to start a YouTube channel, start it on the basis of, okay, you want to give information, it's your passion, you want to share, and before you know it, boom, you would have made YouTube requirements and you start monetizing on your YouTube channel. Oh my dear, I don't want to mention the price, I don't want to mention how much people are making on YouTube. And as a matter of fact, YouTube is the only legal social media platform that pays consistently. Like, okay, yeah, I've seen some social media spring up like, come make money, come and share news and make money. On YouTube, it is legit. As long as you meet up the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, madam, sis, you don't start to make your millions or thousands. I say people don't make money for this YouTube. Do you get? But yes, you can start your YouTube channel, but don't really put your mind there like, I must make this money, because you'll be depressed. I'm telling you the truth. And like every other social media, it's about sharing, but this time around is video. So for those of you that are shy, it's not just taking pictures, no pictures here, his video. You have to share, you have to post. So like I always tell people, you don't have to be too perfect to start your YouTube channel. You can start it from anywhere. You can share how you cook. If you know you love to cook from the comfort of your home, you can start sharing, and before you know it, people are viewing your videos. People don't view videos on YouTube based on, oh, I know this person. Do you get? People just view, like, YouTube. People on YouTube don't care about you, they don't know, but they will view your videos and pass. Do you get? So, and through these views, you will be making money in future. You can start your cookery show, your dance, your comedy, sharing wisdom, sharing news, anything. Like, you just express yourself. And also, for those of you who are interested in starting a YouTube channel, you have a lot to learn. Okay, I'm going to drop in this description box how to get your first 500 YouTube subscribers and how I grew my YouTube subscribers so fast. I'm going to drop a link, so check there. It's a very simple trick I used to gather my subscribers, so it might interest you. As you can see, there are so many ways to make extra money or full-time living online. So if you're looking to increase your income, I would advise you try out some of the strategies mentioned in this video. And please kindly drop a comment, let me know which strategy you would love to try out, or simply also drop some strategies you think you want to add to us to learn, you want to add to this video. Kindly drop. So I know that's how there are up to 1,000 ways to make money online, okay? Because of this video, I don't want to prolong this video. I just had to mention a few. So if you know you have other ways you would love other people to learn, please drop it on the comment section so we can all learn. And if you want to try some of these strategies, also comment on the comment section so we know which of the strategies you would love to use. And please give me a thumbs up, comment, and like, and share this video. I'm a new YouTuber who's still trying to find her niche, so please support your girl. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm begging. I'm on my knee, please. Thank you so much for watching to the end. My name is Rhoda, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.